Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you fund Skrill account. So let's get into the video. First of all, we'll go to Skrill and log into your account. So once you have logged into your account on your Skrill account, so what you're going to do is you're going to, if you want to fund your account, so you're going to like deposit amounts of funds into your account. So how you can do that is you have the deposit option here. So click on the deposit option here. So once you hit on deposit, and here you will see the different types of different ways of payment that you can do on how you can fund your account or add funds to your account. So you can use your bank card, whether your debit or credit card, and add funds using your debit card, or you can use this play safe card, or you can also use this your online banking or net banking as well. You can use, so these are the three ways at the moment you have or provided by Skrill to fund your account. So just keep in mind, and different payment methods have different fees associated with it. For example, credit or debit card is free at the moment, and your internet banking has a 2.5% of surcharge to use it. So just keep that in mind, and also so choose the one that's best suit you. So since I will choose my debit or credit card here since it's free, so I'll just choose that. So I'll hit on deposit, and here you just have to select the card that you want to use to fund your Skrill. Or if you don't have a card yet, so what you can do, you can just hit on add card here, and then fill in your card details, and then proceed with the funding. So if you need more like further detailed video on adding your bank card to Skrill, then we have a separate video on our channel. You can look into it. All right, so otherwise what you can do, you can just if you have already added your card, so all you have to do now is type in your card, you select your card, and then hit on next, and then select the amount that you wish to transfer, and then you can proceed with the payment by using your card. So that's how way how you can fund your Skrill account. Or else if you want to use a different method, then what you can do, you can also use this into online banking method. And then here, once you get here, just type in the amount that you want to send, and then hit on click on continue, and then provide your online banking credentials, and then you can process the transaction through that. So these are the ways, some of the ways how you can fund your Skrill at the moment. So hope this information is helpful to you guys. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.